Hello, and welcome to this new HEFLO training module. In this video, we'll learn how to add specific information to a BPMN process or to one of its tasks using a custom form. This additional data helps enrich your process documentation, improve communication, and can be made visible on the process portal or exported in PDF. In this part, we'll see how to enhance our process by setting up a form where we can capture key details and important information. Let's start by opening the reimbursement of expenses process used in the previous videos. When you click on an empty space in the process, you'll see a button in the Properties panel that lets you add additional information. But since no form has been configured yet, this button is currently inactive. So to add a form, click the eye-shaped icon to open the process information screen, then click on Diagram. Here, you can add a form either to a BPMN process or a process landscape. Let's create a form for our BPMN diagram with two fields. Criticality, with the options high, medium, and low. Process type, with the options management, operational, and support. Once done, save the form. Back in our process diagram, the button in the Properties panel is now active. We can use it to enter the information. In our example, we'll select Criticality, High, and Process Type Support. Let's take it a step further by attaching a form directly to a specific task. This enables you to capture details right where the action happens in your process. Back to the Diagram tab, let's create another form, this time designed for tasks. We'll add a field named Software with the following options. Software A, Software B, Software C. Back to the diagram. Select the task, Submit Reimbursement Request. You'll now see a button with the name of the form appear in the properties. Let's select Software B as an example. The data you enter can be displayed on the process portal or included in exported documentation. To learn how to enable this feature, check out our knowledge base. The link is in the video description. You now know how to enrich your processes using custom dynamic forms to capture additional information at both the process and task level. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next HEFLO training session.